In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate and connect your GitHub account on Claude.ai. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process is very simple and it will let you access to all your files on GitHub. So it's completely free as well. All you need to do is go to connect apps. You can click right here, but you can also go to the settings, then integrations. And right here you can see the full list of all the integrations you can use on Claude.ai. So we are looking for GitHub, so if you click on connect, this window will pop up where it will ask you for permission to verify your GitHub account. Basically, you need to authorize it. It will only take a few seconds and now you are ready to go. So if we go back to integrations, we can see the GitHub account is connected now. So if you are not logged into your GitHub account, it might ask you for the login details, but you just need to log into your account and it will automatically connect. So if you click on the three dots, you can disconnect your GitHub account as well. So in my case, that's what I will do. I will just disconnect the GitHub account, disconnect, and that's it. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.